Alright, fam. Little update for you. My knee is killing me. Just walking to get coffee. Yeah. Freaking hobbling bad. So I don't know if I slept on it wrong or what. But it's, yeah. Not feeling good. I didn't even get started on it last night because it started hurting real bad just on the walk back from Home Depot. But screwdrivers, Allen wrenches. So now I can get started. I was gonna try and get started last night and I just didn't have the fucking energy. So about to take our good old antibiotics for these bad boys today. Keep treating our infection. Fuck. Oh yeah, and Facebook decided to suspend my account for 180 days. They said click here and we'll send you a confirmation like thing, I guess, verifying my phone, which I don't have phone service, so I can't even do to see why they even did what they did. So I can't even appeal it, but I have however much time to appeal it. But if you want to keep following, now you're going to have to do it on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So wish me luck. Much love, fam.